Hi everyone, today's class is about detailed explanation of rapid programming. The contents of today mainly include customized functions, halting program, routine programs with parameters, event routine, multitasking, error handle, and limited single-axis range of motion. Customized functions. Functions in the programming of ABB industrial robots are similar to instructions in that they return a value after the execution of a function instruction. The use of functions can effectively improve programming and program execution efficiency. The following is an introduction to the operation of ABS and OFS. Steps are as follows. Step 1. Create a routine and select the equal assignment instruction. Step 2. Select the ABS function and then select the corresponding data. The function of OFS is based on the offset of the target point in the XY direction, such as P40, OFS, P30, 150, 230, 300. It means that the point P40 is offset by 150 mm in the X direction, 230 mm in the Y direction, and 300 mm in the Z direction with respect to the point P30. The OFS operation procedure is as follows. Step 1. Create a routine and select the equal assignment instruction. Step 2. Click Change Data and select the rob target data. Step 3. Select the function instruction OFS. Step 4. Select the corresponding point P30. Enter the correct data and click OK. Step 5. The result of the operation is shown in the figure. Halting program. In the working process of the industrial robots, there are often some urgent need to deal with. This requires the industrial robot to interrupt the current execution. The program pointer PP immediately jumps to a special program to deal with the emergency situation. After that, the program pointer PP will come back to the original place where it was interrupted and continue to execute the program. This kind of specialized program is called interrupt program, TRAP, which is specially designed to deal with emergency situations. The interrupt program is often used for error handling, response to external signals, and other occasions where real-time response is required. An interrupt program is written for real-time monitoring of sensor signals as an example. Under normal circumstances, the signal of DI1 is 0. If the signal of DI1 changes from the 0 to 1, the reg1 data will add 1. The operation steps are as follows. Step 1. Create a new routine, set the name, select interrupt for the type, and then click OK. Step 2. Create a new command shown in the middle program. Step 3. In the routine RLNIT-ALL, select RHOME and then select IDelete. In the add command list to cancel the specified interrupt. Step 4. Select INTNO1. If there is no INTNO1, then create a new one and click OK. Step 5. Select the connect instruction to connect an interrupt symbol to the interrupt program. Step 6. Double-click VER to set. Step 7. Click INTNO1 and click OK. Step 8. Double-click ID to set. Step 9. Select the interrupt program T-Monitor DI1 to be associated with, and then click OK. Step 10. Select the instruction iSignalDI to trigger an interrupt by using a digital input signal. Step 11. Select DI1 and click OK. Step 12. Double-click on the command shown. Step 13. Click Optional Variables. Step 14. Click Single to enter the setting. Step 15. Check Single and click Do Not Use below. Step 16. Click Close. Step 17. Click Yes. Step 18. Setup is complete. This interrupt routine is executed only once in the initialization routine RLINIT and is effective throughout program execution. Routine programs with parameters. In the preparation of routine programs, you can set certain data in the program as parameters, so that when calling the program to enter different parameters, it can correspond to the current data situation of the industrial robot to perform the relevant tasks. For example, in some operations, the frequent use of square trajectories can be set as a parameter of the two variables of the vertices and side lengths of the square. The execution of the program with similar data of square can be called as long as with the relevant routine program steps for setting are as follows. Step 1. Create a new routine under the main program module. Step 2. Set the name of the routine after clicking the parameter setting button. Step 3. Click Add Parameter. Step 4. Add the correct parameters. The two parameters added in this example are the variables pbase, rob target, and inside size, num data. Step 5. Write the appropriate program and debug it. Event routine. Event routine is a routine program written by Rapid to respond to system events. There should be no moving instructions or complex logic judgments in the event routine to prevent the program from looping and affecting the normal operation of the system. At system startup, the status of I/O input signals can be checked by event routine. The following response to the system event power on is an example to explain this function. Event routine operation steps. Step 1. Go to Control Panel. Configuration. Click Theme. Select Controller. Step 2. Double-click on Event Routine. Step 3. Click the Add. Step 4. Select Power On for Event, R Event for Routine, TRBP1 for Task, and click Confirm button to reboot the system. Step 5. After the system reboots, the information is displayed in a demonstrator. Okay, that's the end of the class. Thanks for watching.